Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going off-roading in Lytle Creek. We got Erwin over here. He almost crashed into Chris earlier. We got Chris, and then we got Josh with the Gladiator again. So right now everyone's airing down. It's really rocky from what I can tell. It's my first time here, but we'll see what's ahead of us. So one thing I noticed in the beginning, like a lot of dust picks up. So I'm guessing because it doesn't rain here much, that's why we got a bunch of dust. Yeah, Chris is over here helping us out. But if you look at the view, look at all these trees. You get the mountains up there with snow. It's already too late to get snow down here. There might be some areas that are patchy, but all the snow's pretty much melted. So far, it's been pretty easy. Just light trails. Anyone could do this trail. Yeah. I feel like even if you're in a Subaru Crosstrek, you could do this. See guys, perfect example of what I mean by this trail is easy. I mean, if that Jeep made it, anyone can make it.
Hey, what you trying to say?
Oh, it's a dope Jeep, but like anyone can make it. And there's a bunch of spots where you can chill, barbecue. I don't know if you, actually, I don't know if open flames are allowed.
No open flames.
No open flames. So we made it to this part. There's snow that way. This area here is where it breaks off and you either go right or left. Left is usually closed. Right is the trail. Don't forget the 10K giveaway is happening right now. Link is down below. So we are giving away a lift kit or wheels or a cash option if you have lift kit and wheels. So make sure to sign up below. And also on the website right now, we are doing every dollar spent is an entry towards some K-Fab suspension 4-hole injectors for either the Inline 6 or the V8. So make sure to check that out as well. Looks like we got some buddies now. The Toyota gang. There's definitely a lot of jagged rocks here, so you got to be careful. Make sure to air down. And look, there's that little Jeep. See if they can make it. I feel like anyone can make it here. I guess this is what sucks about being in a big group. You get stuck in things like this. It smells like coolant. What do you guys think about these trucks? I think they're pretty bad. I wouldn't mind one of these. Everyone's backing out. I think that little Jeep got stuck or something. The Renegade got stuck? Great. Maybe don't come over here if you have something like that. I guess right here it gets a little rocky. There's a bunch of areas where one side of the axle will be this way and the other one will be that way. So it like twists. Pretty dope.
I already smell rubber.
Yeah. There's Erwin. Erwin has a 4-inch rough country long arms, front and rear. We're stopping here because the Tacomas, they were going super slow. So we're trying to get some space in between us. But I mean, this view is sick. Pretty dope. So now, like on this area, it is a little bit more technical. It's not as easy as the entrance. So we've officially hit snow. So now we're sliding around everywhere.
Don't worry about that.
I wonder how lockers affect driving in snow. Just let it go. Let it go. Oh, sketchy. You're good? No, not good. Oh. I got that one.
You're waiting for it too.
Alright. Woo! Let's go. Hey, that guy right there.
Hey.
We got stuck again. The branch works. Go, go, go. Go, just keep going. Keep going. If you guys are ever in a pinch, definitely take like a branch that you find on the floor, put it underneath the tire, and it helps with grip.
Hey.
What happened up here?
A lot of snow.
I like this snow, bro.
It's bad?
I don't know if you're gonna make it.
Damn, up here it's just snow. Yeah, you won't make it. So we couldn't keep going up. So now it's time to do something sketchy and go back down. My shoes are all wet, dude.
Oh, I'm like,
This is gonna be the sketchy spot because it's like slick right here.
Yeah.
Stick right, stick right, yeah. Alright, you're good, you're good. It'll correct itself. You're good. Here comes Erwin. This part right here is really sketchy because the snow is like ice. Ooh. Will he slide? Ah, he made it easy. You didn't even slide. So we're going up the mountain. This is so sketch. Half your wheel is in the snow and it makes you go like at an angle.
No, I did that on purpose.
Oh, that's just Chris.
That's just me, dude. We got enough room.
Oh, the tree. That's freaking sketch. We're all sliding. This is kind of sketchy.
You guys wanted off-road content? I'm giving it to you.
Yeah. So we're gonna go back down, but look at this view, man. Beautiful.
Oh yeah.
And we found this perfect spot right here to turn around.
It was a nice spot to climb.
Look at this. Uh-oh, we got some trouble. We have to get some room.
Traffic jam.
And we got the slow Yodas over there.
Wee woo, wee woo.
Guys, this is what I have to deal with when Chris drives. Thinks it's a Baja 1000.
Always. Ooh, let's go.
We're winning.
I'm catching up, dog.
You ain't first, you're last.
Yeah.
So we ended up coming to Pilot Rock because Delicho was just kind of small, it was short. Right here's a lake. We're about to hit this obstacle. It's my first time here, so we're gonna see how it is. I don't know. We got this 4Runner now. Oh, and also sorry for the audio. My mic broke, so I sat on it. Yeah.
Item over there.
So we got the 4Runner going. He has a locker, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's making it look easy.
All right, we got Jonathan watering plants up there.
Got the Ruby going now. Oh, that's why he has rock sliders. Damn, Chris is gonna hit it too? Oh, yes, sir. You're getting stuck in the same place. We're getting stuck on easy shit. Got it though. We got the nice view of the lake, that's sick. Solid. We literally switched from desert to this in like a turn.
No. We went from desert. We went from snow to desert to this.
Yeah, this is crazy. This is actually a pretty cool trail. Pilot Rock has some good obstacles that, I mean, Chris is doing them no problem. This is definitely a good trail for...
What are you trying to say?
That anyone can do it.
Oh. Guys,
Yeah, it's,
your fenders will be bent. It's okay.
yeah. You'll rub, but for the most part, this trail is pretty good.
Tell them, all right, guys, if you're overheating, put your fan on a switch.
Yeah, we have Chris's fan on a switch because it wasn't turning on, and it wasn't the relay, so we put on a switch, and it's been solid the whole time. And now we're back to desert. That's how Chris drives, guys. Don't ride passenger with it. Damn, the flex. So we hit the peak, now it's time to go back down. Got Erwin.
Erwin, you look good.
The 4Runner's putting in work too. So we have to go up this sketchy hill now. Sorry for the wind.
Try to four-low this one?
No, I think you'll be fine.
Okay.
Give it gas. Cut it right. Then left.
Of course I would have hit that.
gas. Just give it send.
Wait.
Go right here. Just avoid the boulder. No. Left. Oh. Woo! Stop. Oh. There it is. Te pasaste de verga, Chris.
Hey, I need some new seats.
Well, we found some damage.
Take that off.
The threads came out. Hopefully the threads on the middle piece aren't fucked up. I mean the bottom piece aren't fucked up.
No, they're not too fucked up.
Alright guys, so that's it for the video. This trail was pretty dope. So we hit Lytle Creek and then Pilot Rock. Thanks to Josh over here and his friends for showing us. Chris, what do you think?
I pokered it up
Okay, Erwin?
3/4 of the time.
How'd you do?
Oh man, she was challenging.
Yeah, it was fun though. We'll definitely be back. But that'll be it for today's video. Peace.